Guys, hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to properly use Instagram and how to make money from Instagram. So when you log into your Instagram, you'll be greeted with the feed page or the home page basically. So I'm on desktop right now. You might be on phone when you're on Instagram, which is most likely the case, but it basically works the same way. So what you want to do is go to profile. For you, this will be in the bottom of your phone. You hit on profile, just click on the icon if you're on phone. It'll take you to your profile. So, the best way to grow your page is basically have a very good name. So you can see my name is easy to remember, The Earthly Wonders. Anyone can remember that. Um, Here, your bio, it's very important that you make it short, simple, have emojis that pop out to people, and make it clean. So, and also tell like what your page, so that when people are coming on your page, they once they read the bio, they know what your page is about right away. So, for example, as you can see mine here, journey the world with us, explore amazing ocean views, DMS for business promotion, follow us for more. As you can see, mine is about travel, mainly about ocean views and stuff like that. And as you can see, I wrote DMS for business promotions. So this is a good thing to have, but when you're small, nobody's really gonna DM you for business promotions until you get to a bigger account, maybe like 10, 10K, 15K, something like that. Um, but yeah, so the next thing is also have a very, very good profile pic. So the first thing that catches people's attention is your profile pic. Is it good? Is it bad? Um, does it match with the theme of your page and everything like that? So make sure yours is very good and stands out from other people's. If you're on a professional account, you also get these highlights. I recommend you use at least four if you're actually using it. If you don't want to use it, you don't have to. But don't just have one. If you're actually gonna have one, add four or more because it makes your page look cleaner, and make sure it matches with the theme of your profile pic as well. So as you can see here, I got that blue theme with the white uh, label and the white circle around. I got that going on here too. Um, and as you can see, most of my page is about blue, so I matched the theme perfectly with the color of my profile pic, so everything looks clean. When people see this, they can like it. They'll think I'm a professional account. So let's say you hit 1,000 followers or more. What you can do is then you can start advertising. By advertising, I mean like promoting offers from ClickBank, as you've learned from my last videos. So you can get a affiliate link that is in the niche of travel or whatever your thing is. You can get their link and promote it in um your social media page. So basically, in the bio, it'll say you can add a website, and that's what you'll do. You'll add a website there, right under where it says follow us. You can add a website there, and yeah. So it even as a small account, you could actually have a link, which is very helpful. So the next thing is that you can also do a ebook, which is very good, or digital product. You can go to Digistore 24. This is a great place to get digital products. You sign up for an account. You go to marketplace and you get a list of things of digital products that you can promote. Let's say you go to like a um, travel thing here, or you can look through this side here and look for travel. Um, Sometimes you may not find what you're looking for, but most of the times you could find what you're looking for here. But yeah, you could just look through the all of these and find what you need. So let's say you're promoting for animals and pets. You have a channel for, like, let's say um cats or something like that. You can just look through here, or dogs. You can sell this book right here for dog owners because they may want it depending on what the book is. Like, it's how to train your dog well. Some people who are dog owners may want this because they want to know how to train your dog well. So it's very good. This is also a way to get commissions, and as you can see here, they give like pretty good commissions, like 85%, 50%, 70%, 40%. These are good commissions that you can get once one person buys. And remember, you get this every single time a person buys from you. So it's a very good thing to have. So once you're below, but I will say when you're below 1,000, and you just try to keep growing your account more and more until you reach 1,000 or 5,000, something like that, because it'll be a lot better for you uh, when you're promoting. And when you're beginning, you don't want to think about the money too much. You just want to think about growing a fan base that is very loyal to you and will buy the products that you recommend. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you've learned a lot from it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.